Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to make the most amazing white rice. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. To my pot, I'm gonna add my white rice. Please be sure to wash your rice nicely at least 3 times. I will then go in and add my water, and I will leave all of the ingredients down below in the description box. This is very quick and easy, simple, and you just serve it up with your favorite meat. So I will add some salt, some butter, and also some scallion, combine that well. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and place it on the stove, turn my heat on high, and once it's almost finished cooking, that's the time that I'm gonna turn it on low heat and just allow it to steam nice, because you want the rice to be shelly. All right, again, you can always go ahead and pair with your favorite meat and enjoy. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to turn it down on low heat, the lowest heat possible, and just allow it to steam, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final product. And this is the final product of my amazing white rice. I serve mine up with some corned beef, and I will show you guys how to prepare your corned beef. So I hope you guys enjoy. Go ahead and subscribe and let me know what you think about this amazing, quick and easy recipe. Bye guys, thank you for watching.